In a world where your money dies slowly, gambling becomes a survival strategy, not a choice. You've been told your whole life, make your money grow. It sounds harmless, even wise. But what if it's a lie? What if the push to grow your money isn't prudence, but a symptom of a broken system? The instinct to save has been hijacked. Today, investing isn't a choice, it's a religion. You're told to work hard, save in mutual funds with flashy names like Growth Select or Future Leaders. But beneath this advice lies a bitter truth. You are forced to take risk just to stand still. Each year, your money dies quietly. The dollars go eat, rupees pay euros, all lose purchasing power by design. Central banks target 2% inflation. That means in 10 years, your money loses over 20% of its value. This isn't economics, it's slow motion theft. Saving is storing value, investing is risking value. But today, they've blurred the lines. You know your paycheck isn't enough. You know that if you just hold cash, you're losing. So you're pushed into a game of stocks, ETFs, crypto speculation, real estate FOMO. This isn't capitalism. This is coercion. The modern worker wakes early, works hard, and hands over their savings to a system they don't even understand. Not because they love markets, but because the dollar's melting in their hands. It's a hamster wheel spinning not out of greed, but out of fear. Central banks are the architects of this mess. They call it managing the economy. But in truth, they've weaponized inflation, interest rates, and money printing against you. They've turned prudence into penalty. Not spending, not risking, now comes at a cost. This isn't an accident. It's engineered. But there is another way. Bitcoin isn't just a technology. It isn't just an asset. It is an opt-out. A way of saying, I will no longer risk my future to preserve my past. Bitcoin restores the ancient idea. Money should be a ledger of value, not a melting ice cube. Risk, in its true form, is beautiful. The risk of starting a business, the risk of building something the world needs. But today, people are forced to gamble just to avoid getting poorer. Bitcoin reverses that logic. When money is sound, you can choose your risks. You can build, you can dream, you can live free. The fiat world is built on fear. Fear of inflation, fear of missing out, fear of being left behind. But the Bitcoin world is built on freedom. The freedom to save, the freedom to think long term, the freedom to live without gambling your future just to survive. The fiat system is noise. Bitcoin is signal.